What you got, Ava? MT-03. You're very, very bright.
Yo!
What's up, Reza?
How are you?
On our way to Valley of Fire, because we're gonna be on the freeway. You don't have any guards. Just use the insert. It will help you. Okay. No more pain?
Kind of, but not really. Yeah, chilling.
Empty. What is this? A 300?
Yeah, they didn't have the 07.
The FZ07 is my first big bike.
Really?
Yeah. Here you go.
I didn't bring anything. Hello? Yeah. How are you? How are you? Good? Hey, how are you? Hello. Oh, that's cool.
You guys can see each other. There you go.
Coffee?
What's up, GJDLS riders? Time check!
Time check! Let's go! Alright, bye. Alright, time check. It's 10:20 a.m. We are heading to Valley of Fire. We are with our friends, Fabrice, that's Ava, Reza's in the back, tapos si George nagpapagas pa. So there is 5 bikes today. Ikot tayo ng Valley of Fire, pakita namin ulit sa inyo. Nasa old vlogs na natin yung Valley of Fire, kasama natin si Omar TV nun. And I'm sure meron pa mga ibang ride na nakasama natin sila. There's George and Adriana. Buti nakapag-day off si Adriana ng weekday. Weekends off to kasi ano yan, sa executive nagtatrabaho yan eh. That's my old work, guys. Diyan tayo nag-work dati. Yung racetrack namin kung saan ako natuto mag-drifting sa trabaho namin, nandyan na. Yan, so open road tayo. This route is gonna take us to Utah. Pero hindi naman tayo aabot ng Utah. Pero ito yung road na ginagamit papunta ng Utah. So 20 miles lang tayo dyan, tapos exit na tayo ng Valley of Fire. So we'll see you guys there, okay? Peace. Yun, that's our exit, Valley of Fire. 1 mile to go. There it is, Valley of Fire, baby. Itong area na to, parang rest stop lang siya pero pwede kang bumili ng mga fireworks dito. Hindi yung illegal legal fireworks naman siya. May inabutan tayong ka-group ride. Ano atakbo na ito mga 240 miles per hour? Oh my god, not even 35. So far we've put 45 miles. Convert na lang natin sa kilometers yun para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung gaano nakalayo yung binabiyahe namin. And we're not even in our destination yet, pero we're halfway there. 11 o'clock time check, and we've done 52.7 miles so far since nagpagas tayo kanina. Sino nagsabi na walang pila sa toll gate? Haba ng pila niyan, guys, tignan nyo. Ngayon ko lang ata ito na experience. Usually dun lang may pila malapit sa gate, pero ito ang haba. It's easily at least 100 cars. Alright, well, we finally made it to the gate. Siguro mga 20 minutes. Alright, nandito na tayo sa Valley of Fire. I guess this is the valley, that's the fire. Yung rock formation niya kasi kulay red.
your camera or not, so that's why I stopped here, and also the restroom.
Yeah.
The food is just like they're selling like crack.
Shot. Coffee.
Ali. Finally?
Drink.
Ma, you want cream and sugar with that, Reza? Oh no, you want
Sweetener.
Yeah, right. You want vodka in it.
For anaconda.
Little anaconda.
Now you need to take a piss. You gotta make the anaconda happy. Did you get your 4th layer of protection, Eva?
Yep.
Protection from the wind.
I'm ready to go to Alaska.
It's just fine. You can close it.
Cool, huh? Nag-cause kayo ng traffic. Alright, stop over. Palit na rin tayo ng baterya sa atin mga Ace Pro dahil sure, ubos na yung baterya lalo na tong nasa ating helmet cam.
That's what I was trying to tell you.
I know. Well, we're slow anyway, so I wasn't worried.
Yeah, but your hat. But if it would have fell, I would have caught it like that.
Yeah.
Or not. But...
So more windy roads up in this area, pero slow naman siya, hindi naman siya high speed. Tsaka bawal kasi binabantayan to ng mga rangers. Pag ikaw natikitan ka ng rangers, that's it, Jose, you're done. Mahal lang ticket ng ranger. Pero yan, that's the start of the trail going in there. Tapos yung mga restroom, public restroom. So this time we're gonna head back, tapos pupunta kami ng Overton. Yun yung pinakamalapit na town dito na merong gas station tsaka restaurant para makapag-lunch kami kasi it's already 12:30. So by the time makarating kami dun siguro mga closer to 1 o'clock na or baka around 1 o'clock. So tuloy na lang natin dun. Film tayo ulit pag nakarating na tayo ng Overton. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Later! Okay, so we are now in the little town of Overton. Kita nyo may mga bahay-bahay na RV parks. Tapos may mga bahay sa right side. May McDonald's. Ano pa ba meron dito? Red Rooster Bar, breakfast, lunch and pizza. Meron pa ng ATV dito rin, rentals. So napakaliit na talagang town, as in literal. Pero I'm sure marami itong bahay-bahayan somewhere sa medyo libliban pa na part. Meron din silang battle tank, di ba? So safe na safe dito kasi may bantay ka against sa mga masasamang, alam nyo na. Ito na nga, La Fonda, Cupa Joe. Tapos yan ang may coffee shop. And we made it. Time for lunch. Good job, good job. Lunchtime. Oh, I smell weed. That's our group. Oh, there's 2 more here. Okay, dokie. Bye-bye. As long as we get coffee after.
For sure.
You're so kind.
Minimum coffee.
Yeah. I did ask. Just to be nice. Let's eat!
Let's eat, baby.
Thank you.
Time to eat. La Fonda.
DJ DLS? I said it.
Do it again.
DJ DLS?
DJ DLS ride time check.
Time check.
We need to Google that. Who knows what we said?
Time check.
Time check.
Did you finish yours?
Okay, I'm gonna finish it now. We need to get gas.
Do a selfie. I need to see that face. But be real.
That is the gas for the human, but we need the guys for the mechanic.
Control your emotions.
Go with God.
Nakakain na. Meron ng energy. Alright, done with lunch. Nakapag-expresso din kami sa Cupa Joe Coffee. Shout out DJ DLS, Cupa Joe, Nick, Johnny. Sino si Cupa Joe? We're gonna get gas and then balik na kami sa Las Vegas. So far we have done 83.8 miles. Papunta pa lang yun dito. Alright, time to get gas. Time check, 2:25 PM. Grabe yung hobby nila dito. Hindi sila nagmumotor pero nagsa side by side sila. Tsaka dito ata parang legal na i-drive yung mga yan sa kalye. Grupo sila, grupo. On a Wednesday. Those are expensive ass toys, man. Alright, we are moving. Let's go back home. I know a guy who's selling a triple black 2022 GS 1250 because he wants to get a Ducati.
You know that leaving the restaurant, I found out this had 6-speed. I was only at 5 the whole time, and then I found out it was 6-speed. I was like, oh, let's go.
You got another gear.
Yeah.
C'est quelque part, ça peut être la fille qui est ta voisine.
Là, on passe sur YouTube.
C'est pas sa voisine.
About OnlyFans. So
It's okay.
We're talking about buying another bike, obviously.
Keep it French. Come on.
no, we need to speak Portuguese because you know, everybody understands.
This might be the spot where we're gonna be ending the vlog. Tapos na ang aming paggagala. That's our ride for today. Thank you for coming with us. Nandito kami ngayon sa Redstone. We'll see you guys on the next video. Until then, maraming salamat again. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace.